The YouTube clip feature lets you share short snippets of 5 to 60 seconds from eligible videos or live streams. It's a great way for sharing funny moments, important information, or memorable parts without sharing the whole video. You can share clips on social media and messages or embed them on website. So this guide shows you how to create and share YouTube clips. So first, go ahead, open your YouTube application, find the video or the live stream that you want to clip. You will see the clip option in the right hand side of the screen, that is between download and save. Tap on clip. If you don't see the icon, the video might not allow clipping. Now use the slider to set the start and end time of your clip, and it must be between 5 to 60 seconds. Then preview your clip to be sure that it captures the moment you want. Then type in the title for your clip, and this title will be visible when you share it. Then tap on share clip, and you can copy the link and share it in the social media or send it to friends. The clip will link back to the original video. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.